one more package arrived. This one is for some items that I ordered for my Harley that I just bought. It's 2007 Dyna White Glide. I actually bought some small accessories so I can put them on the bike. And this, I think, this is the hand grips, spike hand grips. I'm gonna open them and show you. I pay $15 free shipping and handling. It came from California, so they arrived pretty quickly. I'm gonna show you the quality of them. Just a simple bubble wrap, and oh no, I mistake. It's clutch and brake levers, and I think this one's I pay really cheap. I think $13 free shipping and handling. And as you can see, this for the brake lever. It's aluminum CNC machine. As you can see, they look kind of nice, black, and then I have a skull on the end. Also, the other one, this for the clutch itself. As you can see, it's identical to the other one. I think the quality is nice. It's kind of cheap, but it's nice. And hopefully they last for a little bit, for a while. And then they're gonna look good on the bike, especially because the ones that the bike has already, they're broken. So change the look of it. So yeah, this is the left side, and this is the right side for the brake lever, and this for the clutch. So yeah, if you want to give it a try, they're cheap, $13, and then you have a new set of clutch and brake levers for your Harley, and I think they will give a nice look to the bike, and then probably some compliments. So yeah, I'm going to do another video on other stuff that I ordered, so I will keep posted.